As the new year begins, we're given a fresh opportunity, a chance to reflect, let go of the past, and embrace the life we truly desire. At Online Meditation Events, we've created a 4-week workshop to help you reconnect with yourself, release what no longer serves you, and step into your highest potential. Week 1 is all about reflecting and releasing. Through guided meditations and journaling exercises, you'll let go of limiting beliefs, regrets, and emotional weight from the past year. In Week 2, we'll uncover your core values and align them with your deepest intentions. You'll explore what truly matters to you and how to live authentically. Week 3 is where the magic happens. Together, we'll transform your vision into actionable steps, creating a plan that feels both achievable and inspiring. And in Week 4, we'll focus on consistency and courage. With the tools we provide, you'll learn how to sustain this transformation and stay aligned with your highest self. This is more than just a workshop. It's a journey, a way to reconnect with your true self and create a life filled with purpose, joy, and balance. Join us and start your transformation today. OnlineMeditationEvents.com. The life you've been dreaming of is just one step away. Are you ready to begin?